Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to properly put the green tea, organic green tea bag from Kirkland signature, which is from Costco, and put it in your cup. So most of you might have been doing this just like a regular tea bag, but this is the proper way. So first thing first is you want to tear. There's like a kind of insert right here where you can tear this up easily. So it's on the side right here, and inside here there's a tea bag, green tea bag, and you want to pull this out, and you want to put it here. Then once it's inside the cup, you want to pour hot water 80 degrees inside here. Right, so I'm at the hot water, and you want to make sure your hot water is hot enough, and you want to pour it just about how much amount you want to drink. So probably half of the cup, a little bit more. All right, so once you have this much amount, so you want to let it steam, like dissolve inside the water for 30 seconds without touching it, and it's gonna infuse the bags. Shake it gently right here all around like that, and so just so it gets the other rest of the green tea inside the water, and it's going to diffuse it. And then you want to remove it from the water and put it aside. And then with that right here, there's like matcha in here, matcha powder. As you can see, there's a little bit of matcha powder at the bottom, and you want to pour this because this is the matcha. The matcha are expensive. As you can see, there's a small amount of matcha coming out. As you can see in the video, I can see it here, and that's how you probably use the organic green tea bag from Kirkland signature Costco. Is don't forget to pour this at the end, because that's a lot of matcha actually in here. And you can see here, if you zoom in, there's powder in here. This is matcha powder, as you can see. I don't know if you can see here, but floating on top of the water from me pouring the bottom of the tea bag. So use a spoon, and then you want to mix the matcha up, so it's gonna be dissolved in water, and you're ready to drink it. So that's how you pour this. And so if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.